ChatGPT Mastery, Unlocking the Secrets to Efficient Communication. Topics to be covered are: Introduction. What is ChatGPT? Benefits of using ChatGPT. Tips for using ChatGPT efficiently. Common mistakes to avoid. Conclusion. Let's get started. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a fascinating topic that has revolutionized the way we interact with technology, ChatGPT. It's a powerful tool that can help you save time, improve customer satisfaction, and streamline your workflow. But first, let's start with the basics. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that uses natural language processing to understand and respond to customer inquiries. It's designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from answering simple questions to providing personalized recommendations. With ChatGPT, you can automate your customer service, reduce response times, and provide a better overall experience for your customers. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model that can be used for a wide range of applications, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. It works by analyzing large amounts of text data to learn patterns and generate responses to user inputs. The model is trained on a diverse range of topics, which allows it to provide accurate and relevant responses to a variety of queries. Tips for using ChatGPT efficiently. Customize your responses. Make sure that your ChatGPT responses are tailored to your specific business needs. This will not only save time, but also improve customer satisfaction by providing more accurate and relevant information. Set up automated workflows. Automating repetitive tasks can free up valuable time and resources. By setting up automated workflows, you can ensure that your ChatGPT is working efficiently and effectively. Benefits of using ChatGPT. ChatGPT can save businesses time by automating customer service inquiries. Instead of having a team of people responding to messages, ChatGPT can handle the majority of inquiries, freeing up staff to focus on more complex issues. In addition to saving time, ChatGPT can also improve customer satisfaction. With its ability to provide quick and accurate responses, customers are more likely to have a positive experience with a business that uses ChatGPT. Common mistakes to avoid. One of the most common mistakes people make when using ChatGPT is relying too heavily on pre-written responses. While these can be a great time saver, they can also come across as impersonal and robotic. To avoid this mistake, take the time to personalize your responses and add a human touch. This will help build rapport with your customers and improve their overall experience. Another common mistake is failing to monitor and analyze your chatbot's performance. Without regular analysis, it's impossible to know whether your chatbot is meeting your customers' needs or falling short. To avoid this mistake, set up regular reporting and analytics, and use the insights you gain to continuously improve your chatbot's performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can save time and improve customer satisfaction. By customizing responses and setting up automated workflows, businesses can use ChatGPT efficiently to handle customer inquiries and support requests. However, it's important to avoid common mistakes such as relying too heavily on ChatGPT and failing to personalize responses. By using ChatGPT in conjunction with human support, this can provide a seamless and effective customer experience. Businesses